till he moves. Wait till this little boy gets by.
Good job! Yeah, good job!
Hey, buddy.
I think it's...
You're smart!
Go ahead, Gia. You can go.
Yeah!
Gia, step straight up. Put your toes on the... There you go.
Now I have to go at the end of the time.
Yeah.
Awesome, Gia. Keep your mouth closed.
Why don't you and Gia go back to back? Yeah. Go after Gia so Mommy can get video back to back. Did you get a picture of her yet?
Oh, that was video. Leo, are you going?
Mommy, how about you take away all your things and then you can take a lot of videos and pictures of me and the pool.
Okay, I can do that.
You can?
I can.
You can erase all your stuff.
Well, I don't have half as much as Daddy has.
Daddy, look! I'm floating in.
Yep. Runoff.
He got out of the water all by himself out of the diving board. Daddy, look, the shirt got out.
Absolutely.
Daddy, look, Daddy, out of the water.
I got some action shots of her.
You run. It won't hurt.